Ũhũthĩri wa chemicals itagĩrĩire kũhuhĩra mĩmera ni ũgwati ũkoretwo ũkĩng'ethanĩrwo naguo nĩ thirikari na njĩra nene. CARTELS cia chemical ici nĩcio ikoretwo irĩ mũhĩnga mũnene harĩ mbaara ĩno.
A few weeks back I banned about 50 products in the Kenyan market. But to communicate and make our people aware that there are such products that are not supposed to be used, is something that requires continued effort from all of us. The enforcement agencies, the regulatory agencies, we all should participate.
Kuringana na Minista wa URIMI Mutahi Kagwe, MENA riboti cia URIA CARTELS ikoretwo ikigeria kuhuthira mahaki kuhitana na mogaruruku ma ugima wa mwiri.
We can make very fantastic decisions. We can consult each other and arrive at fantastic ideas. But unless we can communicate them to the community so that the decisions that we make become demand-driven ideas, not top-up ideas, but bottom-up ideas, where the rejection of the products that you yourselves have rejected must also be rejected by the farming community. And the farming community can only do so if they know what we are doing out here.
Ona kuri uguo igite thirikari ndikunira ndeto ino ritho no ni megutigirira mogaruruku maria marabatarania ni makinyanirio.
You can expect those determined to produce the pesticides that you don't want to fight back. And they will fight back as severe guerrillas.
Kagwe aheanite riboti eno thiini wa kigomano gia Kabi Africa Regional Consultation gikuruhania thondeki ya mawatho na ataramu matiganite niguo kugacirithia urimi bururi-ini.